Example 2, second chapter, system of circle. System of circle, page number 95. Show that the circles S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y minus 90 is equal to 0 touch each other internally. Touch each other internally. This is the first part. We prove that the given two circles touch each other internally. Second one, find the point of contact. Find the point of contact and the equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent is the third one. First one is show that the circle touch each other internally. Second one is find the point of contact. Third one is find the equation of the common tangent. Solution. First part, we prove that the given two circles touch each other internally. If the two circles touch each other internally, C1 C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. This is the equation of the first circle. S is equal to 0. C1 is the center. R1 is the radius of the first circle. This is the equation of the second circle. S dash is equal to 0. C2 is the center. R2 is the radius of the second circle. Here dot value C1 C2. C1 C2. Here C1 C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. If two circles touch each other internally, we prove that C1 C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. So, first of all, here find the centers and radii of the given two circles. First circle, equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation, S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X coefficient 2g is equal to minus 2. G is equal to 2 1 ja 2. G is equal to minus 1. Y coefficient 2f is equal to minus 4. F is equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. F is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 20. First one, find the center of the first circle. C1 is equal to minus G comma minus F. C1 is equal to minus G. G is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 comma minus F. F is equal to minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Second one, radius of the first circle. R1 is equal to radius formula under root of g square plus f square minus c. G square minus 1 whole square plus f square minus 2 whole square minus c minus into minus plus 20. R1 is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 1 plus minus 2 whole square 4 plus 20 under root. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 20 25. Root 25 means 5. Therefore, R1 is equal to 5. C1 is equal to 1 comma 2. R1 is equal to 5. Center of the first circle 1 comma 2. Radius of the first circle 5. Again find the center and radius of the second circle. S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y minus 90 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation, s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to 6. G is equal to 2 1 the 2 3s are. Y coefficient 2f is equal to 2. F is equal to 2 1 the 2. F is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 90. Minus 90. Find the third one, center of the second circle. C2 is equal to minus g comma minus f minus g can't minus 3 comma minus f minus 1. Again C2 is equal to minus 3 comma minus 1. Fourth one, radius of the second circle. R2 is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R2 is equal to g square 3 square plus f square 1 square minus c. C is equal to minus 90. Minus into minus plus 90. 3 square 9 plus 1 square 1 plus 90 under root. R2 is equal to 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 90 100. Root 100 means 10. Therefore R2 is equal to 10. This is the center. This is the radius of the second circle. Again find the fifth value C1 C2. C1 is equal to 1 comma 2. C2 is equal to minus 3 comma minus 1. Let C1 x1 y1 C2 x2 y2. C1 C2 means the distance between the two centers of the given two circles. The distance between the 2 points of formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is the distance between the 2 points of formula. C1 C2 is equal to x2 minus 3 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y1 minus 2 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square under root. Minus 4 whole square 16 minus 3 whole square 9. C1 C2 is equal to 16 plus 9 25. C1 C2 is equal to square root 25 means 5. This is the C1 C2 value. C1 C2. Clearly observe here. C1 C2 is equal to 5. R1 is equal to 5. R2 is equal to 10. Here C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. C1 C2 R1 minus R2. C1 C2 5. R1 5. R2 10. 5 is equal to 5 minus 10 minus 5. Mod means plus 5. Here equal. C1 C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. Therefore, the given two circles touch each other internally. Therefore, the given circles touch each other internally. This is the first part completed. Second part, find the point of contact. Find the point of contact. If the two circles touch each other internally, the point of contact is the external center of similitude. The point of contact is the external center of similitude. The point of contact. The point of contact. Here C1 is equal to 1 comma 2, C2 is equal to minus 3 comma minus 1. Let C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2. Here R1 is to R2 is equal to M is to N, 5 is to 10, 5 1 the 5 2 the. Here R1 is to R2 is equal to M is to N is equal to 1 is to 2. The point of contact is called the external center of similitude. External center of similitude formula mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n is the point of contact. M1 x2 minus 3 minus n2 x1 1 by m minus n 1 minus 2 m1 y2 minus 1 minus n2 y1 2 by m minus n 1 minus 2. 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 by 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 2 2s are 4 by 1 minus 2 minus 1. Q is equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by minus 1 minus 1. Here minus 2 2s are 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 by minus 1 minus minus get cancelled, minus minus 5 get cancelled. 5 comma 5 is the external center of similitude. Third one, equation of the common tangent. If the two circles touch each other internally, this is the equation of the common tangent. Common tangent. Equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent. S minus S dash is equal to 0. If the two circles touch each other internally or externally, the common tangent equation is S minus S dash is equal to 0. Yes, so x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 minus S dash x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y minus 90 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 90 minus x square minus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 90 is equal to 0. X square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. Minus 2x minus 6x minus 8x minus 4y minus 2y minus 6y minus 20 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 0. Minus 2 common. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 35s are 70 is equal to 0. Taking minus 2 right side. 0 by something 0. Therefore 4x plus 3y minus 35 is equal to 0. is the equation of the common tangent of the two circles. This is the process. Most important problem. First of all, find the centers and radii of the given two circles. Again, find the C1, C2. If C1, C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2, then the two circles touch each other internally. Second one is, if the two circles touch each other internally, the point of contact is the external center of similitude. Third one is, equation of the common tangent is S minus S dash is equal to 0. This is the answer.